don't get caught. If anyone's gonna get caught,
Should we cut all that down?
hey,
When it hits 40 minutes.
guys.
I'm ready when you want.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Damn, good job. Big goalkeeper.
Hey, don't.
I'm not gonna give up, man.
Make those things tank you.
Go heal.
Wipe out the crease.
Okay. Arrow, careful.
I need it.
Don't let them hit the...
Okay, pick up a melee rack.
Oh, dude, they're all
Get him. Pick up a melee rack. And get him.
There's 4 blinkers.
Pick up the melee rack and get him. Or we can go for range and